Hello everyone, I am Ravinder Singh Tawar, a pre-final MBBS student from Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Ajmer. I cracked NEET 2017 with 593 marks and I got a 3500 rank in NEET exam and 2000 rank in AIMS exam. That's all about me. Now we will talk about this session. Firstly, I will give you the outline of this session, that exactly what we are going to learn through this session. In first 5 to 7 minutes, we will discuss how to increase your marks in physics. Okay. In next 2 to 3 minutes, we will discuss how to solve the numerical faster. And at last, we will talk about the motivation that will help you in your studies. And a request to you is, please don't watch it as a movie. You should have your pen and paper to write down the important points. Okay? And stay with me for next 10 minutes. You will gain much more than your expectations. I am considering here two categories of student. The first category is the student who is scoring 50 to 70 marks in physics in their mock test. Second category of student is the student who is scoring 70 to 100 marks in their physics mock test. Both these category of student will be able to increase their marks in physics by two simple methods. Okay. The first thing you have to do is arrange all your physics chapters and unit according to the weightage asked in the NEET exam. Take a A4 sheet paper and divide this A4 sheet paper in three portions: upper portion, middle portion, and the lower portion. Upper portion of the list should comprises of the chapter from which on an average 4 to 5 questions are asked yearly. Middle portion of the list comprises of the chapters from which 2 to 3 questions are asked yearly. Okay, and the lower portion of the list comprises of the chapter from which only one question is asked, or sometimes no question is asked. Now your next aim is to master the upper portion and the middle portion of the chapter. Once you master it, you will definitely going to perform well in your exam. Okay. Second thing you have to do is you have to make a list of frequently asked topic of physics in NEET exam. Now the question is how to do this. For this you need a A4 sheet again, and you need last 8 to 10 previous years paper. Now divide this A4 sheet into 3 columns and 2 rows. Okay. Now you have to open physics previous year paper. Suppose you are having physics 2013 year paper. Now go to that portion. You are in this portion you are having 45 questions. Okay. Just read the first question and try to recognize from which topic this question is asked. Now this sheet, write down the year 2013 and write down the topic name. Question number 1, topic name. You have to do this for next 45 questions. Some questions you are not able to find out which topic they are from. No problem in that, leave that questions. Suppose after reading 45 questions you are able to find out 30 to 35 topics. Write down these topics names in small letters. You have to do this for 2014, 15, 16 and so on physics paper up to 2019. Once you done with it, this next thing you have to do is take a highlighter. Suppose you are taking a pink highlighter. Then this A4 sheet paper you are having all the topics. Then carefully analyze the topic and find out which topics are asked thrice or more than that. Okay, Just highlight these topics with pink highlighter. And now take another highlighter, suppose green highlighter. Then you highlight the topics which are asked only twice in last 10 years. Now take another A4 sheet paper. In the top of the paper, write down most important physics topic, and this should comprises of the pink highlighted topic. At the bottom of the paper, you write down physics important topic, and the topics which you highlighted with the green highlighter, you should write down in the bottom. Now your next aim is to master this topic. You should practice a variety of questions around this topic only. Once you are done with these two things, you will definitely going to perform well in your exam. Now the next thing is how to solve numerical faster. To solve the numerical faster, you should have all the formulas in your fingertip, and you should also know how to use this formula to solve the numerical. For this, you can easily follow one simple method. Whenever you solve a numerical, for example, you are solving 20 numerical, then you should take a timer of 15 to 20 minutes and then solve the numerical in a time bound manner. Once you solve and practice this in a regular manner, you will master the art of solving numerical in a faster way. Now at last, we will talk about some motivation. For motivation, you can listen to the music which you like, and you can also watch the YouTube videos, motivational videos, 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. When you go to bed at night, just imagine what you will do after cracking the NEET exam. This will always motivate you to do extra thing, go extra mile in your next day. I know entrance exam preparation is a very difficult phase, but you don't have to take it as a burden. Take it as a chance that God has given you a chance to prove yourself that you can do anything you want to do and you can achieve anything. That's all for today's session. I hope we will meet in the next session.